don't flex with the boy, your body say my thing.
Just like coffee, but iced coffee.
Girl, don't flex with the boy, your body say my thing. She wanna roll with the man, them when I drop, you know it's an anthem. Woof. Girl wanna play with the big playboy like me. Woof. Girl, you wanna play with the big playboy like me. Woof. Girl, don't flex with the boy, your body say my thing. She wanna roll with the man, them when I drop, you know it's an anthem. Girl wanna play with the big.
Okay, sister. Hi everyone, still testing my new camera out. Yes, trying out the cinematic effects, but I hope it is as nice as it looks when it's time to edit. So yeah, I hope you can hear me. Bobo's friend invited us to come and watch under 14 live football, and I thought it was sunny. I just hope that I don't regret wearing this top because I didn't bring any jacket or anything for myself. I just brought Adrian's jacket. And Bobo even wore shorts. So somebody has was in my video. I don't know if I can use that video, but this is like a clearer video of what is going on over here and the people watching, and then my tiny humans are there with Bobo's friend. They're so far away, I doubt if you can see them. These are my tiny humans over there. Okay, so Baba's friend gave us this. It says iced cappuccino, so I'm just gonna try for the first time. Okay, this iced cap is not bad. Just like coffee, but iced coffee. And it tastes good and sweet.
Girl, you wanna play with the big playboy like me. Woof. Girl, don't flex with the boy, your body.
Hi, I think I'm the only one in this century that still uses hairpiece. Hey, okay, so I'm starting my running journey today, and I'm just using this to document it. I started exercising. I started home exercises 2 days ago, so today is like my 3rd day of exercising, but first day of running. Yeah, so let's see how it goes. Let's see. I hope that I keep up with this, but like I really want running to be part of my sort of exercise routine. I know I can't be running every day, so I'm going to space it out, but I want it to be part of my weekly routine up until winter when we cannot run again. But then I ordered skipping ropes, so I would also be incorporating that. You'll be wondering why I want to just be doing exercises that will just be taking off my energy, but then yeah, my Jennifer Lopez body is loaded. Oh my goodness. Bye guys. I know this is about, I think, to 8 in the morning, so I'm going to be starting work at 10. So whatever I'm doing, I have like maybe 1 hour 30 minutes to be done, and then to walk back home, and yeah, that's it. So I want to show you guys part of my exercise kit. So this is here like for anybody that wants to use it. So I'm just going to open it and do some things on there, and then there's another one up there. I want to best figure out if somebody can run on the field or I should run on this part. Yeah, because the field is over there and like yeah, so I want to know. Okay, this is the face of somebody that has been running. Like, I can't believe I've been running since, and it's only 1 kilometer. And I was thinking, oh, I can go for about 3 kilometers. Okay. But I need to get water bottle because the bottle that I brought is like really small. I drank out of the water and I was still run out of it. Anyway, I saw one woman, she was, I think, brisk walking. She's going to the gym or something. And she was like, hey, I was like, hi too. Yeah. Peace out, guys. Let me go. So I think I spent more than 30 minutes here. So I'm just going to do one last run and head home. Yeah, I'll do all the way to the other end, come back, then head home. Yeah, thank you for coming to my start day outdoor exercise. Alright guys, I'm gonna plug in my earpiece and continue. See me sweating and there's no sun, so this is coming from my exercise. When last did I have such a good sweat? Like I really sweat because I'm already working. I'm supposed to be. Someone is on their way home. So I'm almost home. It's not like it is far. Where I went to exercise is just over there. Yeah, and I can see home already in front of me. So what am I going to do? This is like random morning in my life because before now, like when I wake up in the morning, I bath for Adriel, feed him, Bobo eats as well, and they go. And afterwards, I'll prepare for the day. But today, I decided to add outdoor exercise to my exercises. So I'm still going to go back home to do my indoor exercises. Yeah. Hope that by tomorrow morning I'll be able to move, because the after effect of doing all of this is the following day you will be feeling sick. Like yesterday night my abs were on fire, like real fire. Yeah, and I exercised in the morning. So yeah, I'm just going to go and do my indoor exercises. There's a routine that I follow, so when I start and I see that I cannot continue, I'll stop. I cannot come and kill myself. Yeah, so that's it. See you guys later. Bye.